Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Here to get started with, what I'm saying, my box. And today I'm going to pick up the wood. But first of all, I want you guys to check out, what I got. So far, this is like a craftsman. This is like a jigsaw. I've been had this though, but I never really showed it off before. So let's see. We're gonna open up this. This is a circular saw, a Skil circular saw. I actually had this for a good minute too. Let's see if you guys can see it. Little work bag. Trying to see if I get y'all this sight. Hopefully everything is going right. But that's the work bag. Picking it up. Pretty nice saw. It's got a laser on it. Hope we can see that. It's a Skil saw. It's got a laser on it. I gotta still put the saw in it. Yeah. Actually, it goes that way. It's kind of lightweighted. It's got a plug on it too. Let's see if I got the saw that came with it. And yeah. The saw. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this table saw. It's pretty much the biggest thing that's on here that we got to unbox. Make sure there's nothing else up in here. Got the manual. Alright. Alright. Let's go ahead and open up this table saw. Got a lot of junk up in here though, but it's actually starting to get a little clean. I'm starting to like keep in control of the junk, of all the stuff. So let's go. Yeah, I know these nice right here. I don't too much like them myself. I just brought it, but it works. That's the thing. Like as long as it works, that's all that needs to be done. Very excited for this box build. I mean, I holding it off for a little bit. I know we've been talking a long time about building one. Let's see if we can get this up out of here. I'm trying to see. I have to pull it out the side. Give y'all a little something to watch too. I don't really expect much from this video, so it's all good. Let's see if we can get that over there. All right, we got it over there. All right. First of all, these are little tops that goes on them. We're gonna probably try to work it out. So let me go ahead and pause it for a second. Try to get this mud up out of here. All right, we back. I'm gonna have to put this together, but it's got like a lot of parts up in it. Yeah, so give me a second. Let me go ahead and put this together real quick. Not real quick, but I'm gonna put it together. All right. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we got the wood cut. Got like a little dial bar. Got a little sander. Yeah, and we in the middle of, you know, unboxing stuff right now, so, you know, but this wood is real solid. I like it. Some real good wood. So, all right. All right, we back. Look at all that wood. I went with some high grade plywood. And y'all can see the thickness on it too. So, got me a dowel rod too for some bracing. I mean, it all this. Y'all want to know how wide it is up in here? You know, it ain't that wide in the trunk, but it's real wide, you know, going inside the car. Like, this is like 48 inches going across, but I'm gonna cut those though, so. All right, I'm gonna get to the house so I can show you guys what I got. All right, guys, we back. Yeah, when I got back from Lowe's, I went on ahead and put it together. And this is gonna be pretty much an adventurous video. This is just me getting ready to build the box, by the way. So let me show y'all what we got. So look at this. This is called a win. So you can close it in a little bit, as y'all can see. It's got the little compressor things. This is why I brought it. You know, it's got the little compressor things to hold the wood. Over there, it's like for the hold the 2x4s, which I'll be working with. I got some real good wood, by the way. I think it ran me about $60 a piece for each sheet, but some real good wood. Hold on, let me show you guys what I got from Lowe's. Hold on. All right, we back. Another thing I want y'all to see, that's the wind front. I mean, to put it together, to put this together, I mean, you might be looking at probably about 40 minutes if you stay straight at it. It's not really hard to put together. It's just screwing stuff together, basically. You know, you got to read the directions, but it's very tight, very solid. I already test some wood on top of it too. But let's go ahead and see what we got from Lowe's. Lowe's goodies. All right. So what is these? See some craft brush sets. Yeah, I'm gonna do some writing on my box, of course. Put that on over there. All right. What else? Some wood filler. Wood filler. We might start tomorrow. These are some rollers to paint it. What else we got here? You know, and thanks to my brother too, my box builder. He helped me out with a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, like I said in the previous video, he could have been like, man, you know, I'm not gonna help you. I'm just gonna take your money, you know. Nah, that's a real friend, y'all. Real friend. That's some caulk. That's what I meant to tell y'all. Yeah, this is some silicone, some caulk. So that's gonna go up in the box. You know, still got more stuff. I know y'all like, whoa. Yeah, plastic to go on the floor. What else we got? A small can of white. All I'm gonna write on there is big port. You know, a big can of black. And the only reason I'm getting all this stuff is because, I'm just, it's my first time building a box. There we go. This is a putty knife for the wood putty. As we just seen the wood filling. As we just seen over there. What else? Bunch of goodies. We got, this is the smooth the caulk around the box. So let's just put everything over here. Put everything over there. We're almost finished, y'all. We almost finished. I didn't know so much work go into making a box, honestly. Got some exteriors. Can we see that? Focus, focus, focus. All right, now we got it. Got some exterior screws. I know I'm in the dark, but my phone usually do good in the dark though, but I guess not today. But those are exterior screws. And what else? What else? What else? Some wood glue. Some Gorilla wood glue. What else? More jigs. It's for the jigsaw. I know it's a little dark. My phone usually do great in the dark though, but I figure I don't have to turn on the light just for that reason. Sandpaper. Sandpaper. Earlier in the video, y'all seen the saw. All right. And what else? And the saw and the jigsaw, of course. And this one right here. It's the Black & Decker. Man, we are ready. So when we going to get started, I don't know. We might get started tomorrow or the day after. I'm going to try to get it done while it's like daylight. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.